This includes Boone County into Kentucky, a portion of Hamilton County into southwestern portions of the county there, Dearborn, as well as Ohio County, Switzerland into portions of southeast Indiana, and it does skirt right along Gallatin County into northern Kentucky. This storm moving eastward around 40 miles per hour has the potential for 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts and up to 1 inch in diameter for hailstones. These storms today already have produced hail up to 1.5 inches, and we have had some reports of these storms as they came through portions of central Indiana that there were wind gusts up to 70 miles per hour. Now, the storm here, 1 inch hail, most likely south of Dillsboro, just to the south of Sparta, west of Rising Sun. Again, moving 40 miles per hour, so this should take it into places like Florence, Union, Burlington, Hebron at the airport within the next 40 minutes or so. Rising Sun, we're looking at 526, so 20 minutes for you from the most significant hail and wind threat. This is right over Pleasant off there, just towards our west. So this is racing east at about 40 miles per hour. Again, Rising Sun around 533 for the timing on the most significant hail and wind threat. This area is under a flood advisory from a storm earlier, so flash flooding could potentially develop because of additional rainfall on top of this, as that presses from Dillsboro to Lawrenceburg, right there along the river. So watch out. Those are the areas with the heaviest rainfall. As Steve's tagging there, that is rainfall within the last hour. 1 hour. 1 hour rainfall. So within the last hour, we've already seen 1/2 inch to 1 inch, and we're going to add probably another 1/2 inch real quickly out of this. So flash flooding may be a threat with this, as well as the severe wind gusts and hail. Again, a severe thunderstorm watch included for the entire tri-state through 10 o'clock for the eastern edge. Most of us, that watch is in effect until 7 o'clock. Stay with us here online and on our social media.